Hi, my name is Don Zappia, a realtor in the Buffalo, New York and surrounding areas. I have been in the real estate business for over 15 years and helped hundreds of families make their move locally and all over the United States. Not to mention, I have moved over 18 times myself. So I know a few things about a few things in the buying and selling real estate. I post new information weekly, so please subscribe, like, and share to stay on top of the real estate market in area and walk away with a few nuggets about the buying and selling process of your next home. Now let's get started on what the areas in Buffalo have. Let's start with Tonawanda, a town that embodies unique blend of characteristics. While it may not be the most bustling or vibrant suburb, it possesses a distinctive charm that caters to a more relaxed pace of life. It strikes a balance between tranquility and activity, offering a comfortable living environment. One of Tonawanda's key strengths is its strategic location. If you often find yourself commuting between Niagara Falls and Buffalo or have business in both areas, Tonawanda serves as a convenient midpoint. Its central position allows for easy access to both cities, making it an ideal choice for those with diverse commitments. While Tonawanda may not offer an abundance of entertainment options, it does provide a modest selection of activities to suit your preferences. The presence of Consumer Square, a notable commercial area, ensures convenient shopping and dining experiences. Moreover, Tonawanda's residential neighborhoods have a reputation for safety and a strong sense of community. It's worth noting, though, that Tonawanda is susceptible to flooding due to its proximity to various water bodies, including Tonawanda Creek, Buffalo Creek, and Ellicott Creek. Residents here may occasionally contend with water in their front or backyards, which is a unique aspect of this suburb. In terms of diversity, Tonawanda, like many other Buffalo suburbs, may not exhibit a significant mix of cultures and backgrounds. However, the region is gradually becoming more diverse, albeit at a measured pace. Now, let's explore the charming village of East Aurora, which offers a unique and vibrant living experience. East Aurora is a haven of artistry, culture, and charm, making it an ideal place for those seeking an enriched lifestyle in their later years. The local culinary scene in East Aurora is sure to delight your taste buds. Barbill Tavern, Rick's on Main, and Griffin's Pub are just a few of the exceptional dining establishments catering to a variety of tastes. East Aurora is also home to historic landmarks like Roycroft, an arts and crafts community with a rich history waiting to be explored. When it comes to housing, East Aurora offers a range of options. The village features homes with an average price of around $385,000, while the town's homes may have a slightly higher price tag, averaging closer to $462,000. The town often offers more spacious living environments, ideal for those who appreciate room to stretch out. However, it's important to note that East Aurora's scenic beauty and cultural attractions come with a trade-off, a longer commute to downtown Buffalo, typically around 25 to 30 minutes. While the drive is straightforward with highways connecting the two areas, it's a factor to consider when choosing this suburb. East Aurora prides itself on safety, boasting low crime rates and a strong sense of community. Remarkably, the village hasn't experienced a murder in several decades, showcasing its reputation as a secure and welcoming. Returning to the north, we arrive at Kenmore, a suburb that seamlessly combines urban conveniences with a suburban setting. Nestled between Delaware Avenue and Elwood Avenue, Kenmore is known for its walkability, making it an excellent choice for those who prefer to leave their cars behind. Kenmore's prime location ensures a quick commute to downtown Buffalo, typically just an 8-minute drive away. However, it's important to be aware that Kenmore's housing inventory primarily consists of older homes dating back to the 1920s and 1930s. These homes may have limestone or cinder block foundations, which can lead to basement dampness issues. Additionally, properties in Kenmore often have smaller yards, reflecting the era in which they were constructed. In terms of diversity, Kenmore, like many other suburbs, may not be as diverse as urban areas. However, the neighborhood is gradually becoming more diverse as the region continues to evolve and adapt. Now let's discuss Clarence, a suburb that offers a unique blend of countryside living and suburban amenities, a perfect fit for those in the 55-85 age group. Clarence is often regarded as one of the most affluent areas in the Buffalo region, boasting a strong sense of community and a reputation for prosperity. Clarence is known for its impressive homes, with Spalding Lake being a standout area featuring houses surrounded by a picturesque lake. If you're in search of a luxurious lakeside lifestyle, Clarence has you covered. When it comes to education, Clarence offers a robust school system, ensuring top-notch learning opportunities for residents. Safety is another defining aspect of Clarence, with low crime rates and a tight-knit community that looks out for one another. However, it's important to note that Clarence, like some other suburbs, may not be as diverse as urban areas. While the region is gradually becoming more diverse, it may not offer the same multicultural atmosphere as larger cities. In summary, Buffalo's suburbs provide a range of options, each with its own unique features and advantages tailored to your preferences as individuals aged 55-85. Whether you favor the peacefulness of the South towns or the convenience of the North towns, Buffalo's suburbs offer something for everyone in your age group. We hope this personalized overview has provided you with valuable insights to make an informed decision about your future home in the Buffalo area. If you're considering a move to Buffalo or any of its suburbs, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to assist you at every step of the way and can arrange a Zoom call to help you plan your relocation with care and precision. Thank you for considering Buffalo's suburbs as your potential new home. We look forward to welcoming you to our vibrant community tailored to your unique needs and preferences. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe, like, and share. See you next week.